When you send your child to daycare, you expect them to be watched by childcare experts who know how to take care of young kids. So, it may be shocking to discover that some caregivers don't take steps to ensure infants are sleeping safely. That's why, as daycare injury lawyers, we're going to break down the 3 most common improper sleep practices that we've seen at daycares. First, not placing a child in the right space to sleep. Sadly, we've seen this many times. Children being placed in car seats, rockers, bouncers, or swings for their nap. These items are not meant for a baby to sleep in, and babies who do sleep in these are at serious risk of suffocation. In addition, most states have outlawed the use of these items for nap time. Caregivers should only be placing young babies in cribs or bassinets for their naps. Second, allowing children to have access to unsafe items while they sleep. Items that one might think makes an infant comfortable when they're sleeping can actually pose serious danger. These items might be pillows, blankets, or toys. The third and probably most common improper sleep practice is caregivers laying babies down in an unsafe position in their crib. Across the board, it's recommended by pediatricians that infants are placed on their backs when sleeping. Placing a baby on their stomach or sides can increase the risk of babies breathing in too much expired air, which can mean they're breathing in too much carbon dioxide and not enough oxygen. It also increases their chance of suffocation because of their face and airways being blocked by a mattress or a sheet. Babies should be placed on their backs until at least the age of 1, according to the National Institutes of Health. Daycares and caregivers should be aware of the risks of improper sleep practices. If daycares do not ensure their staff is properly trained and prepared to take care of infants, there are serious consequences that can result in lifelong injuries or even death. If your child was the victim of improper sleep practices at daycare and suffered from a serious, life-altering injury, it's important to get help right away. Reach out to our daycare injury team at the Button Law Firm to start getting help today. And if you have more questions, but aren't quite ready to speak to a lawyer, we get it. That's why we've created our guide, 5 Steps to Take After a Daycare Injury. It's completely free for you to download, and we've linked it below. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help keep you moving forward.